going to do this review of Peppa Pig Vehicle Park. Let's discover what's inside together. But before we do it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Danny and Julie Wonderland, so you can see more fun videos. You open it. I think now it's time. I'm going to do it really slowly. Voila! Let's put the book inside. We have all the vehicles. It's Peppa and George. So we get Peppa and George out. Hello, I'm Peppa. Peppa Pig with her lovely red dress. Now let's get George out. This is George. Hello, I'm George. George has a blue shirt.
Wow.
So now let's get Peppa and George's car. Do you know it? If you like Peppa Pig, you should know the car. It's so nice. It's all red like Peppa. It has a black steering wheel and a big seat for Daddy Pig, and the two seats. This is for George because George is more small than Peppa. Let's put him in. And then Peppa. Now, woohoo! Now we're gonna grab the boat. It's really blue. Did you notice something? The boat is like a George t-shirt. It has like all the boat has this flag, pirates flags. And then you have this with a window even on this side. It has even a steering wheel. Wait, it has a feed, so this means that Peppa can go. Let's see if I was right. No, she doesn't go. Maybe this is for Grandpa Pig. But if we don't have it in this set, it doesn't matter. Woo! Now I'm going to grab a really fun one that boys will like. The police truck. It is like all the classic police trucks. Wait, it has a black steering wheel and inside there's Police Panda. Wait, I noticed something. Inside here there's a seat for Peppa and George. Wow! So George is going on this side and Peppa is going on this side. Hello, Panda, can we go to the police station? Of course, Peppa. Cool, because it has a siren, has a boot, but it's pretend. Now, for my favourite, the school bus. Let me take it out. This is the hardest to take out. I got it out. Okay. So, this is the lovely bus. This is my favourite. It's a mini school bus. And inside, there's Mrs. Rabbit. It has a really nice blue car and a seat for Peppa Pig. Wait. I forgot to tell you. It can open. So then Peppa Pig and George can go. Bye, Panda. Wait, Peppa come. So, a seat for George, a seat for Peppa. Wait, I need to change it because a seat for Peppa, and now, voila! So before we start playing, let's take the box away, and now we can make loads of stories. Those are amazing! Now I'm going to retell all of the vehicles again. So we have the police truck of the police panda, Peppa and George's red car. We have Grandpa Pig's lovely blue boat. And we have Mrs. Rabbit's adorable school bus. So, now let's make some lovely stories with Peppa and George. Hello kids, please come in. Okay, Mrs. Rabbit. Beep, 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 beep. Let's go, George. Otherwise we'll be late for school. Let's go to Grandpa Pig's boat. Have a nice day, Miss Rabbit. You'll see you tomorrow. Let's go, George. You made it. You stand there, George, and I'm gonna... Hi, George. A wave is coming. It's a Peppa Pig vegan pack. It's wonderful. You can make lovely stories with Peppa and George.